Hello Max, Hayden here. Here I am going to recalibrate the controls again. So I want to show you step by step exactly what is happening. It has gotten worse now and I will show you as I go along. So I'm clicking on calibrate, Enjoy, properties, settings, calibrate, next. Alright, I'm trying to center the joystick here right now. Still trying to center it, moving it very easy. That is the best I can do with the center. You told me to move it left, right. It is not going right at all. It keeps jumping. No matter how far I move the stick, it keeps staying to the center. I cannot get no adjustment to the right. I'm trying to center it back. It keeps jumping. No way it stays on the center. I'm moving it up. I'm moving it down. Right now, my joystick is all the way down as furthest as it can be. But as you can see, the cursor is not reaching the bottom at all. This is all the way down. This is quarter way down. Right? I'm going back up, down. That is the furthest down, left, right. It don't go to the right at all. Keep staying in the center no matter how far to the right I move the joystick. Okay? That's the best I can do. I'm going to next. Next. Throttle. This is my throttle up. Throttle up. Throttle down. Throttle down. Throttle up. Right now I'm not getting no movements on my throttle anymore. Sorry. Return to next. Back. Let me go back with the throttle. Throttle up. Throttle down. Throttle up. It is not going back at all. The throttle is hardly responding anymore. Throttle down. Throttle up. All the way. Throttle down. All the way. Next, I'm going to move the rudder. Left, no response. Right, no response. Rudder left, rudder right, no response. It is really has got irresponsive now. Next, here is my dial all the way down, dial all the way up, dial all the way down. No response. Next, next, finish. Right? And here I am on my test page now. Rudder up, sorry, cyclic up, down, that's the furthest, left, trying to go left, that's the best left can get, right, that's right all the way, and I'm trying to get it back to the center now. Right, I'm testing it here. This is my rudder, left, right, throttle up, sorry, dial up, dial down, dial up, dial down, throttle up, throttle down. Rudder right, rudder left. But during the calibration I wasn't getting anything, but it's working now. Now sometimes it works, sometimes it don't work. That's the problem I am having. Right? I am applying these settings. Okay. Okay. I'm going to try a flight now and show you. Okay. Pause. Okay, Max, I'm in the Bell Sim, Bell 206. I'm going to show you my startup sequence and flight, how the controls respond. Pause. Alright, I'm putting on my fuel pumps. Avionics battery. testing.